Hi, I'm Fiona LaRosa Waters. I'm a Community Relations Specialist for Walden Behavioral Care. Walden is an eating disorder treatment facility. We have locations in Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Georgia, and we treat people at all levels of care, from the inpatient program we have in Waltham, Massachusetts, a residential program also in Waltham, Massachusetts, to the ambulatory clinics we have spread out amongst the other states that I'd already mentioned. Welcome. This is our newest site in Milford, Massachusetts. We opened in December. We're really excited to show you the clinic today. This is our clinical program director, Laura Royas.
Hello, thanks Fiona. We are really excited to be here in Milford. Prior to our opening, residents of the Blackstone Valley communities would need to drive at least 40 minutes to treatment, and being much closer to home has enabled a lot more people to be able to access treatment.
Great. And then in Milford, we're providing intensive outpatient programming at this time. We're doing programming for children and adolescents, adults, and we're also doing our binge eating intensive outpatient program. This location is also one where we can do assessments and evaluations for people who are looking for eating disorder treatment care. And we're running some outpatient groups. We're going to be doing a yoga group for teenagers starting later this month that will run for 4 weeks. And we're going to be doing a body image group also for teenagers that starts at the end of March and will run for 6 weeks. We're really excited to be bringing those to the community. We're going to take you on a quick tour of the space. We're really happy with it. It was a labor of love putting this space together, and the staff were very involved. We'll start with a quick glance over here into the group room where we do meals and snacks. We had our grand open house today, so we did start programming in December, but we had our sort of big party to kind of welcome the community to the space today. And what you're seeing is some of our staff and some of our guests kind of lingering as we wrap things up. It was a lot of fun, and we had a great turnout. It was really exciting. So we're going to go back to one of our other group rooms now. Back here is where the majority of the programming happens. This is where we do groups, both the outpatient groups I mentioned, as well as the therapy groups that are part of the intensive outpatient programming. If you come this way, this room is primarily where we take weights and vitals for patients in program. It's also a space where someone could do a therapy session, or where some of our staff could use as office space. And on this wall is one of 2 murals that was painted by one of our staff. As I said, the decor here was a labor of love, and we're really proud of it. In here is a room where we do intakes and assessments. We can do brief evaluations for people. It's really easy. You call, you set up an appointment time to come in, you talk about what's going on, and we can help assess what level of care you might need if you need eating disorder treatment care. We can also do family meetings in this room. There's a little bit more space than the first room we showed you. And this mural, the second mural, both were painted by Sarah Eve Hamill over here, one of our adult clinicians, who's going to tell you a little bit about what the tree means to us.
So we really wanted to pick some kind of symbol as to what recovery is, and recovery is ultimately our goal, and that it's more a process, a journey, and that there's a lot of growth in that, and that's why we've been putting staff handprints on it so far, and then the clients will eventually be able to put their handprints on there to kind of show everybody who is a part of that process and that growth.
So what's fun today is we're going to make Laura put her hand in a plate full of paint and add her handprint to our tree. She's our program director and really is a true leader for the staff here, and does so much for these programs. So we thought it would be great for her to contribute to the tree on Facebook Live today. Awesome.
Voila.
There you go. So thanks so much for joining us. I'm going to defer back to Laura to see if there's anything else she'd like to say about our program specific to Milford. And we're really happy you could be with us today.
We're really happy to be in the Milford and the Blackstone Valley community, and we're looking forward to seeing and working with anyone who's in need of help.
Thank you. Thank you, Sarah.